Hey, Live the Adventure Club family. It's Claudia. I'm here on a gorgeous fall day reading the latest edition of Explore magazine for the fall, all about how wonderful it is to travel with dogs, which of course we know as dog owners. And I'm here to show you the new Live the Adventure Club box for fall, which with this kind of weather is perfect to unveil what they've got for you to enjoy the outdoors. The one thing that I'm most excited about is this collapsible mini spade. We actually have one for when we do winter camping and all kinds of winter activities, but this one is super cool because you can collapse it down and have it in your backpack when you're digging out things or if you need to make holes, as one does. And the other thing that I find really exciting is this little mini hydration backpack that I can have when I have on my walks with the dog when I'm here in my home in Vancouver, or we can have when we're out camping or doing longer hikes. And you can wear it as a little backpack, or you can even carry it like a little sack. The other thing, I turn this on but I probably blind you, is a really awesome LED light that you can have stored that's quite compact, and you can either shine it wide or pinpoint it at something that you need to see when you're camping in the dark, or even just walking when it starts getting dark here in town at like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And finally, this awesome multi-tool for the outdoors that is also collapsible. Ta-da! You can have pliers with this tool, knives, bottle openers, all kinds of really awesome cool stuff. So have fun, go play outside, and stay safe in the outdoors with the Live the Adventure Club box.